Professor Dr. Rangarajan, Founder and Vice Chairperson Shrimati Dr. Rangarajan, Chancellor, Vice Chancellor Professor Satyanarayana, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, members of the academic community, distinguished guests, directors, my colleagues on the board, Mr. Ramarao, Mr. Nageshwar Rao, general managers, other senior Vijay Bank colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, my dear boys and girls. At the outset, I would like to convey my thanks for introducing me with a very warm welcome. It's my profound honor to be present here today amongst eminent personalities and students. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to Founder, Chancellor and President of Welltech Group of Institutions for his extraordinary vision and zeal to conceive the idea of starting Welltech Group of Institutions and translating his ideas into reality by creating a premier group of educational institutions within a span of 2 decades. Sir, I can see a great sense of imagination, creativity, and above all, your passion for education and commitment to build better tomorrow for the young boys and girls, coupled with your untiring efforts to build an institute of excellence or temple of education in the country. As a citizen of country, we are all very proud of you, Dr. Rangarajan. You have clearly demonstrated that whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. I am also deeply impressed with the Vice Chairperson, Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan, who has been instrumental in creating Welltech, a place to progress and prosper for thousands of youngsters. This temple of learning has grown persistently over the years by the uncompromising vision, leadership and guidance of the founder couple. This institution has become a hope for improving lives for thousands of families each year, thanks to the determination and vision of Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan. The meaning of life is to find your gift, and the purpose of life is to give it away. This is very aptly demonstrated by the exemplary dynamism of Mrs. Dr. Shakuntala Rangarajan. I am profoundly overwhelmed and touched by the gesture of the Board of Management of Welltech, Dr. RR and Dr. SR Technical University for awarding me honoris causa honorary doctorate on me. I am delighted to note that learned scholars like Padma Shri Dr. Vijay Kumar Saraswat, Infosys founder and chairman Shri Narayan Murthy, Padma Shri Dr. A.S. Kiran Kumar, amongst few who have been honored with the honorary doctorate degree by this great institution. Having completed my post-graduation in physics from University of Delhi, I pursued my pre-doctorate in microwaves with a clear ambition to go in for doctorate in physics. But due to changed circumstances, I could not complete my research and join my professional banking career. But today, after 35 years of my academics have taken a complete circle. I can see a lot of young boys and girls having completed one of their major milestones in their lives and are ready to leave this campus with a lot of acquired talents and skills during their stay in the campus. For a moment, my dear boys and girls, I take you back in your lives when you had just passed from your schools and were aspiring to take your first step towards this education. Those uncertain times with lots of apprehensions in mind would have given you solace when you first stepped into this college. You would have thought that life would become much more easy and straight once you enter in the respective courses, but during your years of education in this campus, the faculty would have given you, I am sure, the tough times. The course curriculum and the exam stress would have given you tremendous amount of anxiety. I know you would have passed through lots of highs and lows, uncertain times and challenges. But today, all that has become history and has added to the experience of your life. But you must remember all these ups and downs, the hard times given by the faculty has resulted you to get the best out of you. As we all know, learned faculty have done all this for you, dear students, sacrificing their own goals and wishes. You are now much more skilled, matured and confident only because of the extraordinary efforts put in by each one of you as per the guidance from the teachers and professors. It is a time for you to pause and introspect the change you have brought within yourself from the date you joined this institution and the day you are passing out. Remember the sacrifices and the undaunted support accorded by your parents and the family during all these years in life. The words of wisdom, one-stop solution to all your anxieties by the parents, besides providing financial and the emotional support, would have tremendously helped you to cross these barriers with so much of peace and comfort and to bring the best from you. I am sure few out of you would be the first-time graduates or postgraduates in your family, and your parents must be feeling extremely proud of you. I would like to applaud and appreciate mothers and fathers who have provided unconditional support, sacrificing their own happiness to bring your dreams into reality. As you graduate and spread over to different aspects of your profession and academic life, the traits you have acquired from the institution and the support you have received from your families would always be deeply imprinted in your life. While professional success would continue to bring laurels, it is the good human within you which should always remain dominant in your minds. My dear boys and girls, as you venture into your new innings of life, always think about the less fortunate in the society and extend them a helping hand to the best of your abilities. Please remember to do something good to the society who has made you a wonderful and responsible citizen of this country. By recognizing my contributions to the society and to the banking community by the management of the Welltech University, Vijaya Bank is feeling honored today and reaffirm its commitment to work with increased zeal to extend help to the needy, to continue its reach to the poorest of the poor, to improve their social and economic lives. I once again express my sincere thanks to the founder couple, Dr. R. Rangarajan and Srimati Shakuntala Rangarajan, for their respect and honor. I wish this institution reaching greater heights in times to come. I wish students best of luck in their careers. Thank you, one and all.